Downloading Paystubs on Zenefits is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access your Paystubs easily. Step 1. Log into your Zenefits account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the payroll section. Once logged in, look for the payroll tab in the main menu. Click on it to access payroll-related information, including Paystubs. Step 3. Select the Paystub option. In the payroll section, find the option labeled Paystubs or View Paystubs. Click on this option to proceed to the list of your available Paystubs. Step 4. Choose the desired Paystub. Browse through the list of Paystubs to find the one you want to download. Click on the specific Paystub to view its details. Step 5. Download the Paystub. Once you have the Paystub open, look for a download button or link. Click on it to download the Paystub to your device and save it in your preferred location. Now you can easily access your Paystubs whenever needed. Following these steps will ensure you have your pay information at your fingertips.